Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Affirm allows customers to buy now and pay later, which can significantly boost conversions. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to integrate Shopify with this Affirm in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, we're all gonna start by you opening your Shopify admin. Basically, go to your browser, the usual thing. Go and look for Shopify.com. After this, go to the settings here, in this left corner, and go and look for payments. It's time now to look for the Shopify payments. Since Affirm works through Shopify payments in supported regions, make sure you are in one of them supported regions first. You can also ask this AI if you need any other info. If you can find it, activate it and enable Affirm. Scroll to alternative payment methods and turn on Affirm, then complete business verification. Enter required business and banking details, then agree to Affirm terms. Review and accept Affirm's merchant agreement. Then save your settings. Make sure Affirm is active at the checkout. You can also give it a small test if needed. Place basically a test order to confirm Affirm appears. And that's basically the main idea. Affirm availability depends on country and currency as I told you. Use Affirm promotional messaging on product pages. You may need it as well. Then review Affirm transaction fees before enabling. And that's the main idea. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.